All right. So before we start, quiz yourself. Have a look at this bone. First off, what is it? What is this bone? And is it part of the appendicular or the axial skeleton? Is it appendicular or axial? And which side of the body does this particular one belong to? All right, this is a scapula. It's part of the appendicular skeleton, and this one belongs to the right side of the body. So let's look at some of the landmarks here. This is the glenoid cavity. This little depression is where the head of the humerus fits in. So you can see how easy it will be to dislocate the shoulder, because this is not much of a socket, right? That has not got much holding it in. This is the acromion, right? This is the acromion, the point of your shoulder. This whole portion is the spine, right? That's the spine. This is the coracoid process, right? This is the coracoid process. All right. This is the superior border, right? Superior border. Suprascapular notch, right here. Suprascapular notch, the end of the superior border. This notch varies a great deal between individuals. Some it's quite deep, some it's hardly even recognizable. This border is the medial border. It's the medial border, so that's the one facing the backbone. This is the superior angle, inferior angle here at the bottom, right? There's the superior, is the inferior angle. Here is the lateral border, right? And the lateral angle. All right, what are we missing here? Let's have another view of the spine. Let's see if we can show you looking down the spine. I'm doing this watching on the computer. All right, so this is the spine, right? And it's holding the acromion. There you go. So you can see this, how it's holding that out. All right. This entire section is called the body. All right. If we're looking on the anterior side, so now we're looking at the anterior side, this depression is called the subscapular fossa. Subscapular fossa, because it's a little bit of a depression. See how it's a little bit of a depression right in there? Alright. And then on the other side, we have the infraspinous fossa. Infraspinous fossa. This also varies a great deal between individuals. Alright, did we get everything on there? If we look at it this way, right, this is a lateral view. This is the lateral border, glenoid cavity, coracoid process, acromion, supraglenoid tubercle. Supraglenoid tubercle. So a tubercle is going to be in place for origin and insertion of tendons. All right.